Okay guys, so here is, if you're new to using these types of earbuds, so I'm going to do an example with pancakes. So I have a pancake. If somebody is using them before you, you always want to grab these. Okay, so now you got this out. Right? Just put it, like, right next to you somewhere. Grab this. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna have to do for these first. You can use Tyson chicken nuggets. You can. Let me just sit down on this chair real quick. Don't mind that. That's just my mom ringtone. So look, you can use pancakes, waffles, nuggets, Tyson, Dino nuggets, yeah, tater tots, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'm using mini pancakes. You can use these too. Okay. If you just got it, just open it up. It's simple. When I said that, gave you flashbacks because I could not open the Tyson nugget. Crack you that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I have a nuke at your house. And if you're subscribed, I'll call it off. So subscribe if you want to. So subscribe if you don't want to die. Yeah, I do have a nuke at you guys' house though. Okay, let's just. Okay, there we go. I didn't struggle. Because if you go in the comments and say I struggled, there's a nuke at your house. 1, 2, 3. If you have triples, that's rare. 4, 5, 6. If you have 2, it's very rare. Alright? But if you have quadruples, you're the rarest person in the world. I have a quintuple too. Hold on, let me just find it. Because my family are the rarest. Look, I even found the quintuple. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the main thing, always separated. You have a nuke pointing at your family. I should have done before that. So. got a little pet cat. That was just my little cat. If you don't love J-Man Curly, there's a nuke at your house, too. And salt will be sprinkled inside of your eyes. So, once you have enough, you want to peacefully, gently put it in and close it. If you're making toast strudels, always have it on toast. Or if you're making bread, put it on toast. But if you're making anything else like that, bake at least 10 minutes. And that's how you do it. So, hold on, let me just brighten this up real quick. How bright I look? Do I look gorgeous? Now, how dark I look? Do I look gorgeous? Bye.